the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies in one of the arts and science college. Here the college name is Sona College of Arts and Science, and here the website link is also provided here. So you can see this link, that is sonacs.edu.in. So after entering into the official website of this one, you can see here at the right hand side the job vacancy blog is there. So click on that one, then you will be directed to the applications are invited for the position of assistant professor. Here you need not to pay any registration fee or the application fee. Well qualified and experienced academician for the following programs, that is BCom, BA English and BSc Mathematics Chemistry, Biotech Visual Communication, Physics, Computer Science, Statistics, and BC and BBA Biochemistry, Tamil, French, Economics and Environmental Studies. So the candidates who are having the post-graduation in these departments with UGC NET or without UGC NET, so you may apply to this one, and the qualification experience are as per the UGC norms, and the interested candidates can able to send your resume to hr2020@sonacs.edu.in. So the candidates who are nearer to this college or who are interested in this one, so please once go to the description box of this video and then click on that website link, or else you can see the link here. Okay, so click on that link, then you will be directed to this website and then go through all these details. Fine. So if you are having any queries regarding these posts or the applications, then here the helpline numbers are also provided, so you may contact to these numbers. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you.